my fellow tree enthusiasts. Welcome back to the merriest place on the internet. It's very merry. Okay, I got a new Christmas tree because, I mean, like, I only have 5, so like, it was the day after Christmas. I made a decision. I wanted a full-sized white tree. I have a 3-foot white tree. It's right there, but you can't see it. I think a white tree is just gonna do, well, it's gonna do 2 things. One, a white tree is just, it's poppier. So colors just pop on a white tree. I mean, other than white. There's just much more contrast, and it's just brighter and poppier. 2, what was reason number 2? It decreases the Christmassiness of a Christmas tree. Not that I want a Christmas tree less Christmassy. Please don't misunderstand me. That is never my goal. Makes it less, oh, you have a Christmas tree up, and more, oh, you have a holiday tree. In theory, I don't know, that may just be me. But I wanted a full-size white Christmas tree, and that is what I will be unboxing for you today, because I haven't seen it yet and I'm anxious. I ordered this from Amazon. It is a HomCom 6-foot white pre-lit LED Christmas tree. There will be a link for the tree in the description below if you want it. If we end up loving it and it's wonderful and beautiful. Don't wave scissors, that's dangerous. I paid $79.99 for it. I don't know what the price is now. I don't know what the price will be when and if you click on the link. That was what I paid. Anyway, HomCom 6-foot pre-lit LED. It was important that it be LED. Let's just open this box. I can be safe with scissors. Yes. Okay, we're getting there. Oh, it's happening. This is so exciting. There's a thing on the box that says don't stab it with a blade. Okay, come on. Please. Okay. Oh, she pretty. Come, why can I not do this? Okay. Okay. How many times can I say okay? Infinity. Got it. Oh, okay. All right, so it's hinged, which I think I knew that. So everything's on a hinge, and then it like locks. Please remove the sticker. Let's see what Mama's working with. Are you the top? This is weird to me. Do we have directions? Who are you? Where are you? Ow. Okay. Gently. She's lit. Okay. And there's something there. Directions. And the top. Directions. What is this? Why are you this? Oh no. We'll see. How many lights are on this? I want to say it's got 300 or 250. Oh man, I can't remember. And stand. 4-leg stand, which is nice. Of my cheap trees, they have 3-leg stands, and those just tip over a little easier. This is my microphone cord. It's just weird, and it is where it is. No, it is what it is. I have to be mic'd because I'm really far away from you so you can see everything in all its glory. So you get to look at that. We're a low budget production over here at Very Merry Kim. Assembly instructions. Oh, you don't even tell me how many lights are on you. I can't remember. I want to say it was 250, which was an acceptable amount for a pre-lit tree. It's not English. Oh, there are pictures. We're gonna be fine. Do not interconnect parts of this lighting chain with parts of another manufacturer's lighting chain. Kim, don't plug extra lights into these lights. Flat, rigid surface. Flat, rigid? How is it flat if it's rigid? That's smooth. It's a smooth. This is a lot of things to not do that are kind of scaring me, so we're just gonna stop and follow the pictures. A, B, C. Okay. Open up the stand. Okay. You don't even say how many lights. I think it's 250. It's gonna be linked below. That's all I can really tell you. Stand. Ow, staple. We're already bleeding. It's fine. We're fine. That's normal. Stand. Come here, Lil. Open it up and put the tree in it, and then put these thingies in it. Which one is first? That's the top. Got that figured out. Go me. You're not labeled. One is rounder on the top and one is on the top. You're roundish, as are you. Neat. Oh no, they look the same. Okay, this is where it's gonna live today. Why am I nervous about this? Please remove. Ah! Got it. Calm down, it's not that big a deal. I mean, it's gonna have to come out from the wall. I did it. Oh, I gotta put the thingies in the bottom. Thingies in the bottom of the thingy. Oh, jeez, okay. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. That's 2. Okay, okay. Yes! Seriously, how many times can I say okay? Let's do this piece now, which doesn't have a please remove. It's just ready to roll. Yeah! Hi, friend. Welcome home. It's a good time here. Topper going on the top. Ta-da! I expect her to be a little thinner than I'd like, with not as evenly placed lights and not as many lights as I would like. That's where my expectations are with this. We're hoping I'm pleasantly surprised. All right, how do I plug you in? Is there even an outlet here? You guys, there's not even an outlet over here. We will get an extension cord. I got a cord, we got a cord. I got an extension cord, but I don't know if it's gonna be long enough. We're gonna learn. This is so confusing to me, and oh my gosh. There's this that I plug into this. Oh, this is frightening. Sorry about my microphone tail. It's unsightly, I know. Is it plugged in all the way? How's one to know? There's that. How do we plug all of these babies in? Confused. There's got to be plugs on each thingy, right? What happens if I just plug this in? Do we get part of you lit up? Yay! Phase 1 complete. I don't know. Okay, okay. Focus. Okay. Well, how do I plug you in? Do they have a YouTube video on this? There's no other plugs. I have sockets and no plugs. There's one. I see one. I see it. Oh, it's over there. Oh my gosh, we're okay. We're gonna be okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, now we have to find the last plug. The last melon. There it is. Nope, that's me. That's my plug thing. Are you it? Oh my gosh, I think I found it. Oh, yes. Oh, it's gonna happen. We're gonna make it happen. It's gonna be a tree. Are we ready? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I did it. Here's what's next. You really can't see me, it's so bright. So here's my plan. I'm not gonna sit and floof it and everything because, well, that would just take a really long time. Should I just do that? Okay. New plan. We're just gonna floof it really fast and haphazardly and not in the way that I would. Just minimal floofing. Yeah, she's outgassing a little bit. It's not like overwhelming me like in my face though. It's just on my fingers. I can smell it. I should probably stop sniffing my fingers in case it's toxic. We are not after perfection. We are after just trying to make it look like a tree and not like a stick with other sticks. That is just a wire. That's just a wire. You can't see that, but there's just one wire that's like, just ching, sticking right up here. Somebody didn't get bowed. Okay. Okay, so like she's kind of looking like a tree. Like we have a lot of lights here and not as many in other places. And that could just be part of floofing because the little lights are attached to the things. I'm curious if that helps. That helps a little. First impressions. I don't hate it, which is great. That's a victory, you know? Okay. The lights aren't super distributed well. I'm gonna have to see what I can do about that. I don't like the film that, like, this is gross feeling. Don't love that. Hopefully that will subside or decrease or whatever. The branches feel good. They feel like they will hold an ornament. The color is great. The lights are a really nice, warm, cute white / clear. These only offer one option, I believe. Just steady on is your only option with this. Your tree is just gonna cost more money if you want light options. So just as a personal pet peeve, you can't really see it from your angle. The hinged branches are labeled. They have a piece of tape, like colored tape or whatever around it. And like, it's a white tree, you can see that. There's just like red tape right here. And I don't think you can really, I think I'm the only one that's gonna see that, but there's gotta be a better way. Other than that, I really don't have any qualms with the tree. I think it's beautiful and I'm really glad I got it. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it for the price for 80 bucks to have 6-foot pre-lit LED. That is a very good price. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Welcome to the family. And thus concludes my unboxing and first impressions of the Homcom 6-foot pre-lit LED tree from Amazon.com. Actually, I ordered it from smile.amazon.com because then a portion of proceeds go to the charity of your choosing. I feel this much less bad about it. For a little Christmas magic all year long, sign up for Sparkle Mail, my weekly newsletter, just little tree inspiration and seasonal decor stuff and quick tips. Link in the description below. I'm gonna decorate it for Valentine's Day now. If you want to see that video, I'll put it up here when it's up and available. To see a video that is relevant to what you want to watch, you can click or tap right here. I don't know what to send you to, and I'm tired of bending over all awkwardly like this, so thank you so much for watching, and until we meet again, sparkle on.